A healthy lifestyle is the key to a happy and fulfilling life. It includes good eating habits, regular exercise, proper sleep, and a positive mindset. By following a healthy lifestyle, we can stay fit, prevent diseases, and improve our overall well-being. Eating nutritious food is an essential part of a healthy lifestyle. A balanced diet includes fruits, vegetables, whole grains, proteins, and plenty of water. Avoiding junk food, sugary drinks, and processed foods helps maintain good health and keeps the body strong. Regular physical activity is also important. Exercises like walking, jogging, yoga, or playing sports keep the body active and improve heart health. It also helps in reducing stress and improving mental health. Along with exercise, proper sleep is necessary to keep the mind and body fresh. An adult should get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night. Mental well-being is another important aspect of a healthy lifestyle. Managing stress through meditation, spending time with loved ones, and maintaining a positive attitude helps in leading a balanced life. Avoiding bad habits like smoking, alcohol, and excessive screen time also contributes to better health. In conclusion, a healthy lifestyle is a combination of good food, exercise, rest, and a positive mindset. It not only helps us stay fit but also increases our life expectancy. Making small but consistent changes in daily habits can lead to a healthier and happier life.